guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I've got 2 new collections this week, and if you're watching this, these are already up on the website. I've been doing the listings the night before, and then I'm pinning everything, and then not actually like doing or putting up the new release video until the next day. I don't know if I really have a reason for doing that. That's just kind of how it's working right now. Anyway, so I've got 2 new collections for you guys. The first one is a reformat. So this is a reformat of our Harvest collection. Chris on our PR team wanted this one brought back, and I like it as well because I like to use a Thanksgiving kit that's not like super in your face Thanksgiving, but more of like a, you know, fall-based kit. So I wanted to go ahead and bring this one back. So we have got your full boxes here. Your quote says, thankful, grateful, and blessed. And then it has these really pretty sunflowers as well as these pumpkins. And I also think that this could work well anytime in fall. I don't think it necessarily has to be used for Thanksgiving. That's just what I like it for. Although I really like our thankful kit, so I may end up using that one for Thanksgiving week and maybe this one for the week before. Here is your bottom washi, your date covers, your washi strips, and then your boxes up top, and then you've got your weekly tracker. And this is the deluxe version of the kit. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. Your next sheet has got your 3-bow checklist. You've got your date numbers, your icons, your scripts, and then your movie marquee. Next sheet is the same that's in all the kits. You've got your flags, your labels, your appointment labels, quarter boxes, half boxes, eighth boxes, and then your next sheet has got your glitter headers, your cut washi, and your little things. Next sheet has got your ombre bow checklist. You've got some flags, and then your daily trackers, and then you'd be back to your bottom washi sheet. So that's the deluxe collection, and then we do have mini. Also, I have got, hopefully I'm gonna get this done this weekend. I wanna decorate for fall. There's like the whole thing going on. So I am gonna film that and do it like vlog style. So that is coming. And then I've also got a plan with me that I need to put up. YouTube has been like a struggle for me. I've mentioned it a couple of times and it's just kind of the same thing. Like I just am not enjoying filming right now. So I don't wanna like force myself to do it. But I do want to record the like fall house transformation because I always do the Christmas one. I know you guys really enjoy that, so I want to do the fall one as well. Anyway, back to this. So your mini kit has got your same full boxes as deluxe, and then you've got your checklist, 2 of the 3-bow checklist, 1 of the 2-bow checklist. You've got your date numbers, your flags, your icons, your scripts. Next sheet is that same sheet from deluxe. You've got your appointment labels, quarter boxes, and half boxes. Next sheet has got your scalloped bow headers. You have your various headers, your cut washi, and then your little things. And then your last sheet has got that same bottom washi, date covers, 1 of those bow boxes with the foil, 2 of the daily trackers, and 1 weekly tracker. And then we do have B6, which is now back to the regular sized full boxes. So this is the exact same sheet. These are backwards. Your next sheet has got your labels, quarter boxes, and half boxes. Next sheet is your scalloped bow headers. You've got some checklist, some little things, some trackers, some more boxes, some 3-bow checklist, and some cut washi. And then your last sheet has got your washi strips, you've got your foil date covers, and then you've got your icons. And then we do have the micro kit, and then also we do have glitter headers for both of these. That's just not something that I've got here with me. So this is your micro kit. You've got your 2 full boxes, your scalloped headers, flags, boxes, checklist, date covers, and then you've got your 3-bow checklist, your date numbers, your icons, and then your boxes. I've been getting some emails and some messages about the micro kits. So technically they're only supposed to be up for the weekend. I've been leaving them up through $2 Tuesday, and then right now, I don't even know what all is up on the website right now. I'm gonna look. So I feel like what I'm gonna do is just kind of, I need to deal with the way that things are. So I've got the happy and the thankful micro kits up as well as the winter micro kit. Technically those all need to come down. I'm just gonna leave them up for a minute. I don't know. I feel like I need to start pulling them at the end of the weekend, but when I do that, I get people requesting that they stay up through $2 Tuesday, which makes sense. And then, you know, after that, I get requests to bring them back once they come down after that. So I don't know, you guys. I'm just gonna leave them up for right now, and then I will probably pull the older ones. I will say that I'll pull those on Sunday night, Monday morning, and then I'll leave Harvest and Camp up through this week's $2 Tuesday. Yeah. And then I do plan on bringing back once a month all of the older micro kits from that month and having them available for a few days. I need to do that for this past month. So this is our second new collection. This is called Camp, and this is different than anything that I've really done. But I love this clip art so much that I really wanted to use it. So it's got a lot of the geometric foiling on it, and I thought that it was just really cute. So you've got this compass, you've got your fire, there's an owl, a flashlight, some s'mores, an RV, a lantern, a tent, and then this down here says camp, and I thought it was really cute. So the backgrounds of these boxes are just solid colors, but again, I just like how it looked. So for your bottom washi, you've got these cute little moons, and then you actually have a quote down here that says adventure is out there, and then you've got your foiled date covers, you've got your boxes, and then your weekly tracker, and that is all part of the deluxe kit. And then I'm just gonna kind of flip through these. I also thought that these colors were really super fun, really pretty. I really like how it turned out. I wasn't too sure about this kit, and I asked my PR team / design consult team how they were feeling about it, and we all agreed that it wasn't really for us because none of us camp, but thought that it was really cute the way that it turned out, and I may try to find something to use this for. But yeah, anyway, so this is your mini kit. So you've got your same full boxes, and then I'm just going to flip through the sheets again. Love that bottom washi. And then here is your B6 kit. So this one does have the regular size full boxes. Also, I forgot to show this sheet for mini. And then I was able to also keep that quote for B6. And then this is your micro kit for camp. So super cute. But yeah, so that's this week's new releases. I hope you guys love them. Let me know down below what you plan on picking up, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.